Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I will show you how to use the Differin Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Cleanser. And this cleanser is ideal for normal to oilier skin types as well as those battling acne. It contains 5% PHA for gentle exfoliation, which helps to improve skin texture and reduce hyperpigmentation, while glycerin and propanediol, which are included in the formulation, offer hydration. Additionally, it contains niacinamide and zinc gluconate, which is ideal for those of us that are looking to reduce inflammation and control excess oil production. So overall, this is a great cleanser, and it's not only just about cleansing the face, but also helps to improve skin texture and your overall health. And you can use it in your morning and or evening skincare routine. Now, whether you can use it daily will depend on your personal skin tolerance as well as what else you may be using along with it. So if you use other treatments such as retinol, retinoids, or potent or pure forms of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, or azelaic acid, or AHA like glycolic, lactic, mandelic acid, or BHA salicylic acid products, it may become too much over time. So you need to adjust this to your personal skin tolerance and current skin needs, which means that you need to use another mild gel to foam cleanser and then alternate between them, something like Cetaphil's Daily Facial Cleanser or Beauty of Joe Sunscreen Plum Cleanser. And if you're a person that likes to wear makeup or sunscreen, I recommend removing that first with your favorite oil or balm cleanser before using your Differin cleanser. This way you're making sure that it's going to work the most effectively. And if you're unsure on how you can do this, I have a video for you in the top right corner. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to directly use the Differin cleanser as I'm not wearing any makeup or sunscreen, so let's see how you can do this. If your hands are unclean, you need to wash them first. So use your favorite hand soap and thoroughly wash your hands to remove any dirt, making sure to scrub for at least 20 seconds. Then dry them with a clean towel. Wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Next, dispense a small amount of the cleanser onto your fingers. Foam it up between your hands. Then evenly massage over your face and neck for 15 to 30 seconds, avoiding the eyelids and lips. Rinse well with lukewarm to warm water. As an additional tip, and especially when doing this above the sink, I recommend using a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth to help remove the last traces of your cleanser. Don't worry, it will not harm your skin in any way. If you have used a washcloth, then I recommend rinsing again several times, making sure that everything is properly removed from the skin. Lastly, take a clean towel and pat the skin dry. You can stop right here, there's no need to follow with additional skincare products afterwards, or just continue with your current favorite products that you usually use. However, if you do not have a skincare routine yet and you want to have some options, I have prepared for you a few examples. And they are mainly suitable for normal to oily combination skin with or without blemishes. And I have picked mainly different skincare products targeting different skin concerns so that you can easily follow it at home. And as always, they're available for you to download in the description box below. Now for the morning, we have a routine that's targeting excessive oiliness and dark spots while protecting the skin from damaging UV rays. So we have the cleanser that I just demonstrated, followed by their pore minimizing toner, then the dark spot correcting serum which has 4% niacinamide in it, and lastly I included my currently favorite sunscreens. For the evening routine, it's quite similar to the morning one. Now what's mainly going to change is the cleansing step. So you may want to do a so-called double cleanse where you use an oil or balm cleanser to remove the sunscreen or makeup you have worn throughout the day properly before using Differin's cleanser. The middle part of the evening routine remains the same as the morning, and then as a final step you can apply a moisturizer if you feel your skin needs additional surface hydration. Now for the second evening skincare routine, we have again the same cleansing steps, so adjust it to your needs. And then I've included their famous Differin gel, which contains 0.1% adapalene, a retinoid that targets acne, blemishes and aging concerns. And lastly, I've included two moisturizing gels, not from Differin but from CeraVe and The Ordinary. Both have great ingredients, are very lightweight and work exceptionally well for normal to oily acne-prone skin types. So you can technically alternate between the 2 evening skincare routines if it addresses your skin concerns, or just go with one of them. Alternatively, just use a cleanser on its own. Now remember, you can download the example skincare routines in the description box below. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching and happy skincaring.